Hi, I'm Matt Waite. I'm a professor of journalism here in the College of Journalism and Mass Communications. My students received a questionnaire asking them questions about me. Oh boy, I get to read them for the first time on camera. What could possibly go wrong?
So, we'll start off with this question.
Okay.
First one.
What is your favorite thing about Professor Waite? Professor Waite comes to class looking like he just fended off a pack of lions with his bare hands. Waite's Twitter game is absolute fire. Professor Waite swears. A lot. Waite is a big Cypress Hill fan. Guilty. Professor Waite seems genuinely surprised when his 18 to 22-year-old students don't get obscure 90s cult film references. Someday, you're going to be properly educated in the history of film. How has Professor Waite affected your life? Professor Waite made me into a better journalist. Professor Waite made me fall in love with feature reporting. I still haven't decided if I hate him or love him for doing that to me. Let's be real, it's hate. Professor Waite is the funniest professor I've had, but he cares about his students learning how to actually go out into the real world and report. It's true. Why would I be here if I didn't? What is weird about Professor Waite? Everything. This is great, but if you want to understand the history of music, Funkadelic, right here. So.